Congratulations on starting your retirement journey. Please make sure you have carefully read your retirement quotation and have taken time to think about how you want to take your pension benefits. This video will help you complete your retirement options form so we can process it as quickly as possible. Any personal information or values are shown for illustrative purposes only. Before we explain how to complete your retirement options form, it's important you understand what else you need to provide. PensionWise is a government service that provides free and impartial guidance about the options available to people with defined contribution pensions aged 50 or over. You have defined contribution pensions if you have paid or plan to pay additional voluntary contributions into the BRAS and/or AVC extra arrangements. You must complete the PensionWise form we sent with your retirement options and tell us if you have received guidance from them, whether you have chosen not to take it or if you're not required to. We won't be able to process your pension benefits until we receive the completed form, so read all the information carefully. The first section on page 1 is straightforward. We will have added the information we know, but if any of your personal details are wrong, please correct them. If you are still paying into the scheme and your retirement date is wrong, please speak to your employer to have this corrected. Providing an email address and mobile number helps us stay in touch with you and makes logging into your online account easier, so we recommend adding them to the form. The next section tells you your retirement options. You should only select one option by ticking or putting a cross in the checkbox. Your retirement quotation will only include the options available to you, whereas the form includes all options, some of which may not be available to you. We've been clear on the form where an option isn't available, so just take extra care to pick the right one. There's also lots of information on your member website about retirement options if you need a bit more help. You can also request an estimate from your online account if you need one. Once you've picked one retirement option, you might want to consider giving up some of your pension to provide an extra dependence pension to a loved one, such as your spouse or child. Should anything happen to you, the scheme will provide a pension to your dependents automatically. If you do not wish to name an extra dependent, please leave this section blank. Next, we need you to provide the bank details to which we should make your lump sum and regular pension payments. You can provide details of 2 different bank accounts, one for your lump sum and one for your pension payments. You don't have to, and if you want both payments to go to the same account, just mark this box and provide one set of details. If you want us to make your payments to an overseas bank account, please download the form for the country where you live from your member website. The next section focuses on lifetime allowance, abolished with effect from the 6th of April 2024. If your retirement date is before then, you may still need to fill out this section. If you have another pension arrangement and took pension benefits from it before the 6th of April 2024, you also need to complete this section. If your retirement date is on or after the 6th of April 2024, you have other pension arrangements and have taken benefits from them after this date, you don't need to complete this section. But you will need to provide some additional information using the separate lump sum allowance form we have provided. The final section is your P46 declaration, which is used for tax purposes. Please read the options carefully and select, with a tick or a cross, the one that is right for your circumstances. If the job you are retiring from is your only income, then please select the first option. If you have another income, please carefully read the other 2 options and pick the one that applies to you. All that's left to do is carefully check you've completed everything correctly and have chosen the available retirement option that's right for you. Please sign and date the form and return it to us. However you choose to return your retirement options form, you only need to send it once. We've also included a data privacy notice if you want to read about how we store and protect your information. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck with your retirement.